a train ticket without opting for food or meals in the official IRCTC website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will be showing you how you can book a train ticket without actually opting in for any kind of meal or food. This trick helps you save some additional money on the ticket fare, and sometimes it could be also a great way of saving some extra bucks, especially if you are carrying your own food and you don't want the food from the Indian Railways. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser and search for IRCTC, and then click onto this link that says irctc.co.in, as irctc.co.in is the official IRCTC website. And once you are in the web page, you need to log in with your IRCTC credentials or your user and password, and then you will see a home screen like this. So let's proceed on by booking a ticket using this particular form, and then I will show you how you can opt out for meals. So enter our destination. Let's enter our source station. So for example, let's say I have added these stations, and now for the destination station, I will address a destination station. And once you are done with this, you can also determine the date of the journey and also the class as well if you want. Let's click onto the search button and choose any train with catering options. So let's say we have the Vande Bharat Express between Dehradun and Anand Vihar terminal, and this has food options in it. So let me choose AC chair car, click onto this date available, and click onto this book now button. And now you can see in this page we have to fill out the passenger details. So whenever you fill out passenger details, you can enter their name, age, gender, their resident, and their preference for the window side or not. And then you have this option that says catering service option. So this option basically determines if you are opting in for meals or not. So if you click onto this arrow, you can see a number of options like veg, non-veg, Jan meal, diabetic veg meal, or a diabetic non-veg meal. And if you don't want any food options and want to save on some extra money, you can click onto this no food button, and then proceed on with the initial ticket booking. And this trick will save you some money and no food will be provided to you. Of course, you can buy that on using the extra amount over the train if you would like, but yes, initially your food preference will be set to no, and you will not be charged for the food in your fare. So that's how easily you can do this. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.